These little bikes are really fun to work on. They don't have a lot of them in America, sadly, because you see over here, bigger is better, and the bigger the bike, it means you're the bigger the man, if you know what I'm saying. Myself, Cat, Pushak. What are you doing? I'm turning 70, and these little bikes are great for around town. 1 gallon a week takes me wherever I want to go. It has 2 seats, which is nice. It has this seat and that seat, and these rear pegs right here in case I need to carry some really good-looking blonde 19-year-old cheerleader helper that my wife don't know about. I didn't say that. And it's a great little hobby. Plus, if you're working on these kind of bikes, what are you doing, Cat? Look at that, you can walk on water. I've never seen a cat do that. You know, it's amazing. In youth, they have so much strength and so much fire in them and passion. And it's, you know, it's something we old people have lost. Good cat. Good cat. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to come back. And one thing I'd like to say, another thing too, is I forgot where all these nuts go. Right here. I know where this one goes. I'm not quite sure about this one. But this is the worst thing you can do, is when you're putting a bike back together and you're not sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replay this video on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to go, oh, that's where it went. And then, of course, one of these days I'll go out and buy a Zuma service manual. That's what I want. I would love to get a couple of 2-stroke bikes that they have in Europe. We can't get 2-stroke bikes here because, oh, it hurts the environment. Well, I know, but we've got these trucks that are, you know, that big, and nobody seems to care. Me, it's 2 strokes or nothing. I just saw a new bike. It's called a Beta, I think, a Spanish bike. Beautiful looking bike. But God, when I bought my first bike, my first 125 was $1,500 in 1980 from the shop. Now that bike right now is $9,500. I'm like, just when I think I have a little bit of money saved up where I can buy something, they pull the rug out and raise the prices. So all you young guys out there, all you people that love toys, don't feel bad, because the prices are hitting all of us. And with the gas prices and with wars and all other things, parts are hard to come by, and it costs more to ship them, more to do this, more to do that. If you go on eBay, you can find some used parts for some of your older bikes, if you're lucky. Also, you can go to like the Hawaiian sites, racing sites. I usually don't go on those because they're for Hawaiians. I don't want to crash it and act like, oh, you know, I'm a white guy, I know what I'm doing, which I don't know nothing. But whenever there's a huge problem, I will go and ask them a question, and they can usually answer it. I really want to go to Hawaii, Kauai, Honolulu. Never been there, but I want to go there and see all the cool bikes, all the cool wheels and all the cool things. They don't have that here. They don't have anything like that here. Not in the States, in this town. And I think it'd just be cool to go over there with an unlimited credit card and bring back some cool stuff. I guess, you know, Clint Eastwood was right when he said, don't let the old man in. Because when you turn old and you're just sitting there waiting for death, then it's over. So stay young as much as you can. It's hard to do, but psychologically, I think it's what all of us older guys have to do. Along with, if you turn 65, 70, and you're older, remember your first rule of business is to help the young. Help the younger brothers, help the younger sisters. Teach them. Don't laugh at them. Do what you can do to help. Because this is a great little sport. If gasoline goes to 8 to 10 bucks a gallon, these will be king, just like they're king in the rest of the world. There are more of these bikes in the world at Little 50s than there are cars and trucks in all of America. And that's just amazing. Uh-oh. Cut right. Cut right. Who will win? Lunar's our next door neighbor's cat, and he's really upset that this cat has come over and encroached on his territory. And the little cat's he just wants to play. Come on. Well, that's enough for this old man for right now. I'll keep posting videos, and I'll keep putting them in numbers so that you can come back and look at them. I also have 3,400 other videos, 20 years worth of work. If you check my DOSP Demon playlist, if you need help with something, carburetors, tires, gyros, carb tuning, I don't know it all, but I do know what I've found out, and it's knowledge is freely given. All right, respects to everybody out there. DOSP Demon.